And just like that, guys, I found my way over to the Aquaman Power Wave. Let's go get wavy with it and ride this awesome power splash. So I just got off of Aquaman Power Splash, like super cool ride. I had a like good amount of airtime, like I sat mid too. Good amount of airtime like on the second spike, like when you went up the hill. And then like the splash was just awesome in so many ways, as it just gets another one coming at me right now. Like seriously, I'm already drenched from earlier and I just got even wetter from that last one, but hey, it was so worth it. And this is honestly a great addition to this park, and like I'm really kind of stoked that they waited a little bit longer to add that turntable to it, because it adds so much more to the capacity for this ride. This ride's gonna get a huge line during the summer because you get drenched. Keep in mind today's like a 55-degree day, guys, and it's windy, so I'm like gonna be nice and freezing, but it was so worth the ride to that. Super fun ride, and definitely like a really cool addition to already an amazing Six Flags park. So I hope you like this analysis of Aquaman Power Wave. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube, as you never know what other crazy water rides I might film for you. Maybe I'll come back here and do something for Hurricane Harbor. Maybe I'll go back to Typhoon Lagoon at Disney. Either way, you never know, it's always a water ride or water slide away. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Love you all.